nagbabago ka ba? Mas maluwag ka ba dati? Kasi pare-pareho yung mga baguhan na itong guys na to. Or mahigpit ka na?
So, number one, surreal yung feeling na dalawang movies. Pangarap ko mag-direct ever since. So, from zero movie to two, wow. So, in terms of how I direct, feeling ko same yung temperament kasi hindi naman ako galitin na tao. So, and then, yung ito, medyo ano to parang story of my youth So, being young, wild and free. So, live your best life yung slogan niya. As with Elevator naman, it's sort of me as more of a family man and a dad. So, parang that live your best life for others. So, parang mas, parang same message pa rin, inspirational, hopeful. Ayun, so...
At ang ganda, no? Kahit sila Direk Lino kasi, they're part of this movie, no? Kasi alam ko kung gaano ka, ang Rain Entertainment Office, kung gaano ka dedicated sa paggawa ng project, di ba?
We always have each other's back. So, ayun, nung time lang na to, LU, Lino was mayor. So, parang consultation namin, tawagan ganyan, versus yung Elevator, on-set si Lino. Kasi, ayun.
Yan, guys, gaano kayo ka-excited when you learned that you're going to do this project in 2019? Let's start with Derek.
Super excited po talaga kami, especially when I found out that I'm gonna be working with my friends. Masaya kasi this is something new. Masaya rin na minsan lumalabas talaga yung totoong kakulitan namin na lumalabas talaga yung personality namin. Kasi sometimes when you're doing a film or a character, kailangan may susundan kang character pero dito somehow lumalabas yung totoong kami. And nagkakaroon talaga ng chemistry sa amin. So, super excited. And of course, lahat kami bench models. So, parang yun din talaga yung parang may parang competition, sino pinakabatak, mga ganyan. So, may mga ganun kaming healthy competition na feeling ko nita-drive naman sa amin to do our best.
Pero may nagtatanong na, singit ko na, bakit ka naman nahuli? May window hour, dumaan ka Makati.
Ha?
Dumaan ka. Sino ka nahuli kanina sa ano?
Ngayon?
Oo.
Coding.
Oo nga. May 10 to 5 p.m. Dumaan ka na Makati?
Opo, doon po ako nandun.
Dumaan ka na Makati. Yan. DJ.
Excited akong gawin yung palabas kasi yun nga, summer film at saka parang first time ko lang makatrabaho lahat sila na talagang as a group. So, yun, maganda rin yung story. So, yung binasa sa amin ni Direk Philip yung story, parang kwento ni ALV na ganito, ganyan. Masaya to kasi parang workation to. So, hindi na kailangan ibenta ng ganun kasi nalaman ko lang na makakatrabaho ko lahat to. Excited na ako, so sobrang masaya ako.
Ako po maganda yung sinabi ni TJ and ni Derek na workation nga to. There are moments in the film na parang it didn't feel like work kasi lumalabas lang yung sariling kakulitan namin. And during that time, and still now, sobrang excited ako na lalabas na po finally yung pelikula namin. And ang laki din po kasi ng hype ng pelikulang ito when we were shooting and we were about to air. But of course, there are things that happen na we had to adjust. But I do believe that everything happens for a reason, and I do believe that now is the right time na para ipakita po itong pelikula na to.
Yeah, TV.
I'm super excited, of course. Dati nga ng mga 2020 pa lang, 2021, kinukulit ko si ELP na parang ganito lang talaga ako, pare, mancha lang. Puso daw yun ngayon eh. Oo, pare. Ayun, kinukulit ko si ELP na, kailan i-air yung, yung GLU. Oo. So, ayun, ngayon, lalabas na siya finally. Excited na ako.
Story ka.
Yeah. Direct Philip, nung time na yun, okay, lahat sila game sa mga pinapagawa mo.
Oo naman.
Walang umarky yan.
So, wala. Ang pinakamahirap lang nilang ginawa, I think, yung surfing scene. Kasi may kailangan gawin doon si Derek sa si Enzo na mahirap. Yun yung pinaka parang madugo kasi parang pagod talaga kailangan nila talaga gawin. So, pero for the most part, wala. Kasi the story naman, the way it's structured, lahat talaga sila may highlight per character. So,
Yeah, thank you, Direk. Yeah, si Katarina, eto na ba yung senyales na you're gonna continue with your career na dire-diretso na talaga?
Gusto ko pa sana kasi, hello, okay. When ALB approached me for this movie, I was like, sige, I'll try it. And then nag-enjoy ako. And then, after I had a teleserye, and that time, I think that was really meant to be my debut into acting. Pero dahil sa pandemic, everything was put on pause, which is, as Enzo said, everything happens for a reason. And during those years, I was able to start a family. And so I have 2 kids for those. Since the movie, I didn't have any kids then, but now I have 2 kids, and feeling ko kung tuloy-tuloy na yan that time, I wouldn't have my kids today. And to be honest, I think once you have kids, gagaling ka talaga umarte kasi you become empathetic. I can cry on cue anytime now. I can be angry, ang daming emotions ko ngayon na I hold in as a mother, and marami ko din na kinakip ko sa loob ko na gusto ko ilabas, and I think the best way to do that is through acting. And before the pandemic, I really wanted to go all out. So now I hope that this is still my debut, and I hope this will be what will jolt my career forward.
Dalawa na pala anak mo.
Yes po, dalawa na po.
Alam mo, ang iniisip ko pa yung dating karelasyon mo na mayor na ngayon. You're married na.
So yes po, but I never promoted it or announced it.
Hindi ka naman siya update. Yeah, anyways, good luck. Yeah, good luck for your movie. Direct Philip, yan. Thank you. Yan. Siyempre, we're so excited. Ang gusto ko because of you, magpapa-black screening ako. Yeah.
nandito si Charm, ayusin natin.
Kasi gano'n ko kayo kamali, alam mo naman.
Sige.
At saka si ALB siya, nakasumpa niya ako. Kasi nalaglag ko siya. Yan, thank you.
Thank you, Sir June. Grabe. Diba? Palakpakan naman natin, Sir June.
Paano ko ni Lloyd?
Before we formally conclude today's festivities, I'd like to mention that we are inviting all of you again to our premiere scheduled for this coming Sunday, April 21 at SM Cinema 9, 6 p.m. Also, Jimu tayo doon, and we'd like to take this opportunity as well to plug the other forthcoming releases from ALB Films. We have My Stepmother's Lover scheduled for June. Abangan nyo po yan. Again, that's My Stepmother's Lover. Once again, we would like to thank our friends from Kao Manila for making today's event possible. Palakpakan naman natin ang Kao Manila. Kao Manila, you will have a photo opportunity here with the cast. Please fall in line na lang po so you guys can have your chance. On behalf of ALB Films and the cast and the crew of GLU, this has been your